So now you've combined your designs, you can start looking at how you can start positioning them as a group. And one way of doing that is using the auto layout function. Auto layout, if you go to edit again, and you've got auto layout there, what will happen is make sure that you've got your grouped motif selected, and you'll always know that it's selected by that dark black box going around the outside. So then that enables you to use your centre or your corner. If you find that they're not active, that centre, it's because you haven't got it selected. So if we choose to do the corner, it'll move it across and flip it for us into the corner, and you can see that's an exact repeat. So that one's flipped. So let's just move these out the way so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So that's flipped that across there. So it's basically repeated it for you. If we go to edit and auto again, and we do center, it moves it to the center. Again, we'll move those out the way. Okay, so that's one way of starting building up a design pattern or a repeat, so that when this stitches out, you'll always know that you've got that kind of reflected pattern if that's what you require, or you can start using it to layer a particular pattern and build it up from there. If you were interested in including some type or lettering function, you can start using the monogramming tool. So that is the ABC tool there. So if you click on that, your monogram hoop AF will come up, and that's your toolbox for your text. So it's quite self-explanatory. So your text or your numbers can go in here, and you've got your font style. Not too many there, you're quite limited really on what you can produce for your font, so that's something you need to experiment with. Your size, your spacing as normal there. You can have narrow, wide. So for example, if you're trying to fit a particular text into a section or a pattern, you might be playing with that. Layout, staggered ABC, straight or curved. We'll go with straight. That. So once you've put all that information in, you need to press that arrow pointing down, and it registers. So you can see that it's come up there, and you can see how it's kind of a stitched outline to each of the lettering. Okay, you've also got you've got a little description of how to do that process, or you can add colour if you require. So you've got your colours there. Again, same process as the easy import, is that you need to be aware of what actual colours we have available to put onto the machine for what colours will come out. Or you could delete all and start again by changing your settings at the top. So if we OK that and we say yes, you can then save your actual design there and save your text and give that a name. So if we place, I'll just put a 2 at the end, so we make a 12, and we'll save that. Okay, so then you've got your text, and in the same way, once it's highlighted, you can move it around in that little box, and you can start, again, you could start using your copy and paste functions if you want to repeat a number of texts. All the same process that we've used in the pattern variants. Again, grouping, so if you want to group something or you want to make multiples, and then again your edit, auto layout, center, we'll change it, or auto layout, corner, and we get 2 because we've doubled it up. Again, you've flipped it, and we've got numerous layers there with our other sections. So you can start really playing around with that if you wanted to, if that's something that interests you. And your text size as well, you can alter by going back in and doing those editing.